Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi guys, I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now this afternoon and evening when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. Welcome, Virgo, to your reading for the month of July. As you know, as mentioned, July is a 7-month numerologically, so it's a lucky number. And in the outdoors message, 7 and this month is all about receptivity and receiving. So you will be receiving your manifestations. Let's go ahead and pick your cards. I'm going to super shuffle because speaking of receptivity, the You Ready card came out for about 4 of the 5 readings, so I'm going to super shuffle. It was in the other pack though, but we will super shuffle this time. And you got the card of integrity come up right off the bat. And Virgo, you are all about integrity. If your thought, word, and deed aligning. So your thought aligning to your word and your deed, which is a magnificent philosophy and character to have. And that is why you will be attracting your manifestations. There will be lots of celebration, whether it's in romance, in finance, in love, in home, in career, family. You will be celebrating, I feel, in many avenues, your manifestations. And the last card you have for today, romance. Wow, beautiful cards. We just said you will be celebrating with your manifestations, including love and romance. And there you have it. The romance card comes out. Let me just pick up this card. I have dropped, okay, but we've already got our 3, so we didn't need the fallen one. And let's go ahead and pick your cards from the Angel Answers pack. So we are going to super shuffle this pack. This is the pack that had the You Ready card come up 4 times. So we're going to make sure we shuffle. But again, it's all about receptivity this month, as in our outdoors message. So that was just validating that. Okay, you've got a positivity card, and remain positive. So Virgo, you've been really good. You've been positive. You've been more optimistic in the last recent days or weeks, I see. And I think it's more days, and you have been executing that optimism in your outcomes, in your daily life, and it's been having a positive effect on your mood and emotions too. Big happy changes. Wow, you're the first sign to get this card. Beautiful card, beautiful energy, lots of magical energy, stemming from, you can see, from within and going without. And then the last card for you, helpful people. So you'll be attracting this month, Virgo, helpful people to help you achieve the manifestations you wish to create and your goals. And it's important, I feel, this month to remember how far you've come. You, out of your 6 cards, you had 5 super positive cards: celebration, romance, remain positive, big happy changes, helpful people. And the 6th card is all about your integrity, your integriousness. Again, you being a sign, actually, Virgo is a sign that your thought matches your word and your deed on most days. I mean, I say on most days, but all the time, much more than all the other signs. And that you're beginning to see in your manifestations. That, coupled with your newfound optimism, is doing wonders for you. You have always been optimistic, but in the last few days you've been more so, and more consciously so, more choosing to be optimistic, and that's had a profound effect on your life, on the changes in your life, on big happy changes. And you're going to be seeing more of that, more of it manifesting, more of it growing. The seeds, planting seeds now will help you manifest it growing and the changes. So planting seeds of positivity, what's within your control, what you can control, and obviously avoiding that which is not positive, right? But remain positive. So avoiding negativity, avoiding people, places, things that are negative, will help you achieve your positive outcomes, and will help you celebrate and beautiful energy, and one of which of romance. So lots of positive energy, romantic energy coming up for you, Virgo, and lots of causes for celebration. I'm seeing these 2 cards with similar borders. If you see, both of them have a purplish border, violet border. Violet's also the color of protection, color of your crown chakra, which is about manifesting that which you wish to have. It's the 7th chakra. So remembering that you're quite powerful this month in terms of having those changes and those outcomes you've wished for, that you've been positive about, come through. And remember to ask for help, though. Remember to ask for help when needed. Don't do it all by yourself. Remember to ask people, and you will be attracting helpful people this month to help you achieve the goals that you set out to at the beginning. So, Virgo, I hope you have a wonderful July. Do comment down below what you're hoping to achieve and the changes you're wanting to have, the big happy changes. And remember to stay tuned to watch your outdoor message, and have a great month of July, Virgo. I'm wishing you a wonderful one, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Hi, guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum. So I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies, actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie, actually, that I've been watching recently. So I think whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port, actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat going out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy we spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help it to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection well to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright, guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as we go through the month of July. Remember to use the element of water to help you flow with the magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create a new dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air, and the element of the earth. Remember to be and stay grounded, and just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings, and I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky, and remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself in nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.